So the black marketing, black money, and high prices are the symptoms of a disease. Stop. This disease is deeper in our economy because our policy is to make the rich richer. Stop. Have any of these monopoly houses suffered due to high prices? Sign of intervention. Take the accounts of the monopoly houses. Stop. Their assets have grown and their profits have increased. Stop. Their investments have increased. The finance minister will try to excuse himself by saying that I am speaking about the ideology. Stop. But ideology is necessary. Our nation has an anti imperialistic ideology. Stop. We have an anti capitalist ideology. Our ideology is not pro capitalist or pro imperialist. Stop. Our ideology is the ideology of the Indian people, the working people. Stop. It is so from the Karachi resolution. Stop. As a nation, we have evolved that policy. Stop. That is what I am asking you. Stop. Para. So I do not want you to use this thing for politics. You have to decide which class you are going to defend and which class you are going to attack. Unless we are clear about it, which party rules is not the point. Stop. If they pursue the same policy, nothing is going to happen and the situation will be worse. Stop. We will appeal again to do something to strengthen the public distribution system. Stop. At least save the people from starvation. Stop. Immediately he will say that there are no starvation deaths because no death is reported as starvation death in the country. Stop. Para. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, by moving this bill for consideration, my honorable friend has raised a very important question affecting public life. Stop. There could be absolutely no matter of doubt that the corruption in public life have become rampant. Stop. As a result of this, people in public have become great suspects. Stop. In a seminar which I was attending on code of conduct for public men, somebody observed that once a man becomes a minister, occupies a seat of power for generations, his economic problems are solved. Stop. It may be an exaggerated statement, but it has been our sad experience that people who have occupied high positions in public life, who have become ministers, members of parliament, or members of legislatures, have overnight become affluent person. Stop. This may not be true of all members of parliament. This may not be true of all members of legislatures. This may not be true of all ministers, but quite a large number of them have overnight become so affluent that it becomes really difficult for any man to understand how the man becomes so affluent. Stop. Para. The whole thing becomes a mystery to the common man and the character and integrity of the person concerned becomes highly suspect. Stop. I know, sir, that it would be too much to expect the same standard of public behavior as we had during the days of Ramayana. Stop. Those who were in charge of administration, those who were occupying the highest office, but themselves to the highest form of test, the highest form of ordeal. Can there be any doubt that public life, if so much corrupted today that we have all become suspect? Sign of interrogation para. In fact, the people have also become jealous of the members of parliament. Stop. They say somehow one has got to become a member of parliament or a member of legislatures or somehow come closer to the corridors of power. Why do they say this? Because they see the sudden change in the outlook, the behavior, the kind of living of a particular individual. But sir, the solution in this problem of corruption in public life may not be like instant coffee. Stop. The solution may be very difficult. Stop. In fact, this was pointed out by the Santhanam Committee itself. Stop. In its report, it made certain recommendations that a certain code of conduct should be there, and that shall be a solution to end corruption in public life. Stop para. What has actually troubled us is the variance between precept and practice in this country. Stop. When we discuss philosophy, we rise to Himalayan heights, and when it is a question of personal life, we go to the abysmal depth of the Arabian Sea. Stop. There is no much variance between precept and practice in this country, that even if a particular individual might be trying to adhere to the precepts, he also becomes suspect because the general atmosphere is one of suspicion. Stop.